Dear viewers, we are studying our flexagon with a just simple paper. It's a white paper sheet. The paper sheet is just A4 paper, where we get 7.5 inch and 9.5 inch in height. But we need the most length is half of the length. So how can we take the half of the length? Just firstly we will halve the paper by bending very easily with the hand. No tools will require for this. Then we will start this by another bending across with the shape of triangle, and in the same we will do it is also be the another triangle. Two triangles already have been done. Now this additional part should have to be scissored. Just we will take like this. To easily figure out the half part of the length is happening here. We will find that this length is already halved by the simple method. So we will do this first, scissor these things, and as much as accurate we can do. It's very simple and very easy to do by anyone. So bend it with the both sides, come forward, then scissor with your scissors, or just simply make it tear. The sections already have been done. Now what should we do? We will make it half bending by the height side, and again we will bend the half side another half, that means the quarter, with the height length. From the both sides we will do this. Now what should we do? This will be half by the height again from the length side with the both ends. It's very easy and simple. Anyone can do this with any time, and it will require just very short, and we will do another half of the quarter. Same we'll do in the opposite end too. We will always take the care that every part should have to be with very keen end. Here these two parts we didn't. We will also do these two by the same. This will do by the same. If we just carefully watch, then we have take the segments here first, the half part, and then the part is half again, and another part is half again. That means 1/8 of the total part. These 8 segments have been done here. And now what should we do? In the flexagon we should square this part to bend for our next use. Just use the second part, square part, and half of the square for bending. Now this will be the bending option for the across card. Here the second bending option will have to do, and that will go across the same. It's very easy and we will make this as sharper as we can, because that will give us the most mobility. So our sharpened end should have to be very much clear. Then another part from here. And finally we will bend the last bending options from here to the second part. As we did the across part, we will do the same from the opposite end too. That should be like this. The more the corner parts are accurate, the flexagon will automatically blend by him with a very keen way. Dear friends, we have already been completed our first part of the flexagon journey. The whole blendings are completed. If you can see that, we can bend by here and here and here and here, like total part is divided by 8 subsectors and the 4 subsector acrosses. Now what should we do? We will find that 1, 2, 3 and 4. This 4 part here. We will just insert one of them to the other part. It's very simple. Our small childs and those who are very lovely with the paperworks, they can do these kind of flexagon and other paperworks easily. What should we do next? Just wait and watch our videos. We will do as much as accurate we can. We will insert these fully. So it is happened with the all side. Now we can do here some additional part is getting outside of my flexagon, so I can insert this with the other end. Just keep it inside, which is very clear. Here, put this part. My flexagon is already quite now the shape is totally round up, and we will take this round shape now in different parts. Here we can bend easily, and the other parts will do this same. It's very easy, and the second part is having done by us the same condition. Here it is also be the same. Now we will do these things in same, and in from the opposite we will do the same thing. Just create this, and this should be, and this should be too. When we will do this, then the second subsections of these should have to be done by us. Now what we should do, just create our bendings here. It's quite complete. Now you can easily bend these things to any other part and any other way of you want. Now here you will find, when you move this, the total outer region will come here. Now what should you do? Just simply take this type of scotch tapes and attach these joining parts as they are opened. We will do the same with every corners. Just watch what we are doing. Very easy. If you think, you can do so. Simple and very easy. Now the paper flexagon is already have completed its journey. Now what should we do? Just rotate and just rotate. It will start and no ending will be happen. So my paper flexagon is already have been completed. So try it by your own and make yourself happy. See you again with another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.